Okay, so welcome to the channel. In this lesson, we're going to be walking through some really basic chords. They are the chords that are used in Wonderwall. We won't be putting a capo on this one in case you haven't got a capo, and they're really easy chords to play. And you only need to move two fingers. So these two fingers, your third and little finger, stay all the time where they are. So we're going to be walking through E minor 7, G, D sus4, A 7 sus4. So without further ado, if you want to name the strings, an acronym E, A, or elephant, and donkeys grow big ears, or E, A, D, G, B, E. And what you do is you get your third and little finger and you plonk that down on the B and E respectively, and they're there for the duration. So all you need to move is these two fingers, and you put that on the A and D and give that a strum, and you strike from the thickest string, and that's E minor 7. And then you move your second finger to the E string 3rd fret and give that a strum, and that's G. And then you're going to move your first finger, not your second finger, your first finger, you're going to move it to the G 2nd fret, and you're going to try and strum it if you can from the D string, and that's D sus4. And then you're going to move this finger along to the D string, and you're going to strum from the A string if you can, and that's A 7 sus4. And that's your 4 chords for a beginning of an easy lesson. No strumming involved at the moment. That will be in part 2. So walk through again. So E minor 7, G, D sus4, A 7 sus4. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you in part 2. Thanks very much.